Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the new phone, unlock it, connect to Wi-Fi, and confirm it has at least 20% battery. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts or launch the Gmail/Google app and choose Add Account. You enter your Google email address first. This verifies the account identity. Make sure you type the address exactly, then tap Next. If you use two-factor authentication, get your second factor ready now, phone, authenticator app, or backup codes so the flow won't pause. You now enter your password and tap Next. Use the Show option to avoid mistypes. After that, Google will ask for two-factor verification if enabled, choose SMS and authenticator app code, or approve the prompt on your other device. Complete that step promptly. Delays can expire codes. Once authenticated, Google shows permissions and sync settings. Review each option, contacts, calendar, drive, and toggle what you want. Accept to finish. This is why you saw permission choices. It controls what data copies to the new phone. You finish by confirming the account appears under Settings, right arrow Accounts, and that sync shows recent activity. Then open Play Store or Gmail to verify access and sync. If everything loads, you're done. The phone will start pulling your apps and data according to sync settings. If sign-in fails, first check time and date accuracy, then try signing in again. If still blocked, reset your password or follow Google's account recovery steps and use backup codes. That single troubleshooting step fixes most authorization problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.